we're going to start with the slip knot. For my real size scarf, I chained 250. That's around 160 centimeters. For this demo version, I'll make a chain of 18. Row 1, we're going to chain 1 to turn. Into the second stitch from the hook, make a single crochet. To make a single crochet, insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's 1 single crochet. We're going to go ahead and work 1 single crochet in every stitch of this chain. Row 2, we're still going to make single crochets, so chain 1 and turn. From this side, we can see there are 2 loops in each stitch. We need to find the one below the front loop. So that's the front loop, and that's the one below it. So starting from the first single crochet of this row, work 1 single crochet in each single crochet across. And this is why we do that. We want to form a visible line like this on the other side. So go ahead and finish this row. Row 3, chain 2 and turn. Skip the first stitch, make a double crochet in the second stitch. To make a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Work 1 more double crochet in the next stitch. So including the first chain 2, we have 3 double crochets here. Next we can begin our pattern. So we're going to skip 1 single crochet, make a double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then we're gonna work a double treble crochet back in the skipped single crochet. It's okay if we ignore the terms. You just need to remember we need to yarn over 3 times to make a DTR. So yarn over 3 times, insert hook into this stitch. This is the one we've skipped before. We're going to insert a hook under both loops, like this. Yarn over, pull through. At this point, we should have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and just keep doing this. So we're just gonna keep repeating these 4 stitches across, skip 1 stitch, double crochet in the next 3 stitches, then yarn over 3 times, make a double treble crochet in the skipped single crochet. Keep working like this until you have 3 stitches left for this row. For the last 3 stitches, we're gonna work 1 double crochet in each of them. Row 4, chain 2, make a double crochet in the second stitch and in the next stitch as well. Then we're going to repeat the same pattern. Skip one stitch, double crochet in the next 3 stitches. We're gonna make the double treble crochet a little differently. We're still gonna yarn over 3 times, but we're gonna turn our work and work it from this side. Then you're just gonna repeat those 4 rows. So row 5 is gonna be the same as row 1. Chain 1, then single crochet across. Row 6 is the same as row 2. Chain 1. In the loop below the front loop, make a single crochet in each single crochet across. After this row right here, we're gonna work the border in the opposite direction. So chain 1 and turn. Work 1 single crochet in every stitch. For the corner, work 1 extra single crochet. For this side, we're going to work 1 single crochet for a single crochet row. And 2 single crochets for a double crochet row.